Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Tip of the Week. I am David Lewis. Success expert John Maxwell wrote a book called Failing Forward, which is a great instructional manual for turning failure into success. Here is one of my favorite quotes from the book that I especially like. It goes like this. In life, the question is not if you have problems, but how you're going to deal with your problems. If the possibility of failure were erased, what would you attempt to achieve? What a profound question that is. It should challenge anyone serious about success to always give it their best shot, knowing that eventually success is forthcoming. In spite of what we often think about winners, losing is part of the process for everyone. In this business, we often have to go through several customers before making a sale, but when we do finally make one, it can be well worth the effort it took to win the deal. One of the things I love about the car sales business is it doesn't require a college education to make a great income. Of course, having one doesn't hurt. But some of the most successful people I know in this business never even made it through high school. The one thing that I've learned after more than 40 years in the business is simply this. If it's going to be, it's up to me. You see, my success will always depend on the commitment and effort I make on behalf of the people I serve, and so will yours. You may have to fake it till you make it on occasion. But study this business and master the skill of selling cars, and you will never regret all that you have done to become successful.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.